Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Yesterday I got on to doing the van. I'm not going to show you it because it's going to be the next video. I'm going to put this one out first just to break the series up a bit, and today do some more welding on this. I've done the front bit, I've now got the back to do, but I've got this lovely hole to deal with, so I've got quite a bit to cut out. I'll try and bend all this back and cut quite a lot of this out, so that's going to be fun. I've already done that front bit, you probably can't see it. That bit is already done. I got some underseal to go on that, so once I've done it all, I'll underseal the hole underneath. And like I said, I got on the van yesterday and really pleased with how it come out actually. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen it, but save that video for another day. Little sneak peek. But after I've done the welding, I got some of this, some fiberglass body filler putty stuff, because I used to have a roof rack up here and I welded all the holes up, but there was a few little holes left, and I've just put some of this black silicone up here just to seal it. So I want to go across and deal with the holes properly, so I'm going to fiberglass them. And I want to sort out my steering wheel, because it's got an ever so slight wobble. I know what that is, I can deal with that, but first I need to get that welding done. I'm not going to film too much of it because it's just me welding, grinding, welding and grinding. So yeah, I might do a little cheeky time lapse, but I'll see you when we get onto something else. But first, coffee, then that. Well, that was yesterday and today's today. Did manage to do the welding on that. Just need to finish it off. I've sanded all the welds back. Quite pleased with how that went actually. So at least that's now done. But today I want to try a new mod. And that is putting big blue tarpaulin sheet on your roof. Thought it'd be quite fun. Thought it'd catch on. No. What it is, I need to be putting some fiberglass on the roof, because when I used to have a roof rack up here, that's done nothing. I obviously had holes in the roof, and I now need to make sure that they're fully sealed. So I thought I'll put a tarpaulin up here to keep it dry. As you can see, that has done absolutely nothing. I need to now dry this roof, because there's absolutely no way I'm going to be able to do any of that with water up here. So all I'm actually using is one of these dry towel things. Bought it for the car. Absolutely amazing. Got to take all the silicone off, then put the fiberglass sheeting down. Might give that a little bit longer just to dry properly. Just need to get all the silicone off. Spot there, spot there, spot there, and a bit further up the back. Same on the other side. And then lie fiberglass all the way up the gutters on both sides. Hopefully that will fix it. I'm also going to see if I can figure out, as you can see, there's a little wet patch down there. That's coming from up here. And yeah, there you go, see? It's coming from in there. I'm not entirely sure where though. I have put silicone on the roof, on the windscreen. That hasn't done anything. So what I might do is put a little bit of fiberglass up there as well, see if that does anything. So I'm going to let this lot dry. Be back to you in a sec. You guys not done that yet? I'll do it. All I ended up doing was making a cup of tea. No, joking. Is going across with one of those wire wheel attachments on a drill. And went across and got all the silicone off. I was using my thumb, but I gave myself a nice little blister instead. So use the wire wheel, got all the silicone off both sides, and it made me a nice cup of tea. I did notice that the kit didn't come with a scraper, so I used an old Tesco card and cut it to pretty much exactly the right shape or size, width, whatever. And I presume it's pretty much the same as normal body filler. So I'm going to mix a load of this up and go across. As you can see, I have actually welded all the way across. That's got a bit of paint on it. All the way across all of them. Done that before, put the silicone on. So it's just these areas that I'm going to be putting the fiberglass on, and hopefully that'll do it. If I get enough time, I'll do the windscreen. Didn't want to do that just in case, because the weather does look like it might turn. So got me an old paint tray, mix on air and get to doing. So the instructions on here say open a book and then, don't know, lie it down and then wax on, wax off, 100 grams to 2 to 3 grams, and then make a rainbow, loading screen, and then I don't know what that is, and then wave at the sun. Pretty sure we can do that. Done. Wow, this stuff stinks. Before I make this, I did notice in a few places, like just there, I did actually puncture the roof. And there's another spot just there where I went through it again, but I took a screw out. So probably hammer that bit flat, go over the top of it, and then yeah, just cover these areas. I don't really know how much to mix, so I'm going to say about that and about that. I don't know if that's the right amount or no, but there we go. And then ploppy in. Well, I'm going to go around and do all the rest of them, so that's just enough for that bit. I'm going to go around and do all the rest, and I'll catch you in a sec. Wearing a hoodie on a black roof is a terrible idea. I am sweating, but this first piece you see me do, already gone hard, and genuinely it's been 10 minutes total. They're all done, all the way around. Even managed on, nope, up here, flatten that piece off that was up on the side that I showed you. Fiberglassed over the top. There was a screw sticking out here somewhere. So I'm going to tidy this lot up, give it half an hour, go across and sand it, done. Oh, and one of my neighbours lives down there, he's got a T5. I told him what I was doing in here and he looked at it and I said I want to get some silicone. And he said, he's a builder by trade, he's got two, well this one's completely unopened. It's a bit darker. And then this one he's just finished using from a job, doesn't need it anymore. So he said I could have them. So I'm going to be putting grey in these gaps. So that was nice of him. Anyway, see you in half hour. Well, it's been about half an hour and this stuff is absolutely solid. I've got myself some sandpaper. Gonna go across, sand it all up down. Might do another little layer over it all just to make sure. But yeah, very impressed with that. Highly recommend. If you've got holes in your roof, use that stuff. So I'm going to sand that lot back, do another layer, sand that back, and I'll get back to you once I've done that, I guess. Well, all I've done, a bit of 150 grit sandpaper, and I mean it's not perfectly smooth, but I'm more than happy with that. I think there's one bit which I need to go over again. I think it's just down there actually. But I'm very pleased with that. It's come out very smooth. There's a few little bumps. There's another one here. I could do a flattening out. But I'm going to put another, I'm going to obviously clean it all up. And go over it, do another layer. And that's more than happy. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. Because on the roof, as long as it just stops the water from coming in. I don't think I got enough to do the windscreen, so I'm going to buy another tub of that. Highly recommend that stuff actually, fair play. That's pretty much it. I think another layer and we're done. So I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm going to get myself gone. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Any questions or suggestions, jam them in that comment section down below. And yet again, I'll say at every video, thank each and every one of you for subscribing, and stay tuned. I'm going to go get the last of this done before the kids get back from school, and then that's me done. So if you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button. Take it easy, guys.